Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn what are the steps involved in formulating a competitive strategy. Formulating a competitive strategy involves a series of structured steps to analyze the competitive environment, understand internal capabilities, and identify ways to achieve a sustainable advantage. Here's a breakdown of the key steps. 1. Assess the external environment. Industry analysis. Understand the structure and dynamics of the industry using tools like Porter's 5 forces. This helps in identifying competitive pressures, such as rivalry among existing competitors, the threat of new entrants, the bargaining power of buyers and suppliers, and the threat of substitutes. Market trends. Analyze macroeconomic trends, technological developments, regulatory factors, and changes in customer preferences. Competitor analysis. Identify key competitors, their strengths, weaknesses, market positions, and strategic moves. 2. Evaluate internal capabilities. Strengths and weaknesses. Conduct a SWOT analysis to assess your organization's internal strengths and weaknesses. Consider factors such as resources, expertise, operational efficiencies, and technology. Core competencies. Identify what your company does better than competitors and where it has a competitive advantage. Value chain analysis. Understand how each activity in the value chain adds value to the customer and contributes to the overall strategy. 3. Define strategic goals. Vision and mission alignment. Ensure that the competitive strategy aligns with the organization's long-term vision and mission. Clear objectives. Establish measurable, time-bound goals that reflect where the company wants to position itself relative to competitors. 4. Choose a generic competitive strategy. Based on Michael Porter's framework, companies can choose from one of 3 main competitive strategies. Cost leadership. Aim to be the lowest cost producer in the industry, offering products or services at lower prices than competitors. Differentiation. Offer unique products or services that provide superior value to customers, allowing for premium pricing. Focus, niche strategy. Concentrate on a specific market segment, either through cost leadership or differentiation, to serve a narrow audience better than competitors. 5. Develop strategic initiatives. Action plans. Define specific initiatives and actions to implement the chosen strategy. This could include investments in technology, marketing, talent acquisition, or product development. Resource allocation. Allocate financial, human, and operational resources to support strategic initiatives effectively. 6. Implementation. Organizational structure. Align the company's structure and culture to support the competitive strategy. Operational execution. Ensure that the strategy is executed across all departments, from marketing and sales to operations and customer service. Monitoring and adaptation. Continuously monitor performance, gather feedback, and make adjustments as necessary to stay competitive. 7. Evaluate and adjust. Performance measurement. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, to evaluate the success of the strategy. Review competitors and market conditions. Stay informed about market changes and competitor actions, adapting the strategy as needed to maintain or enhance competitive advantage. These steps provide a structured approach to developing a competitive strategy that positions your company effectively within its industry and market. We appreciate you spending the time to view this presentation. We greatly value your input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.